Hello. Right now we are back to the hotel, and then we bought some snacks, supper. Look at this. Ooh, damn. Got one sticky rice also.
Yeah, I think 我吃的 sticky rice 好了。
哇 ，rubber band 的，因为它的 plastic 比我们的鸡饭的还好，glossy 的。哎 ，glossy plastic bag， 鸡饭哥用这个啦。
那谁看卖鸡饭那个死人啊！我图片有没有吃过哎？
要补吗？要找这个。
放猫猫的噻。
哇，猫猫好吃，很多猫。
I think 我不要吃那个冰色啦。
对了。
Why? You have to eat. That's the best part.
啊！
因为个人，我以为三岁。
天哪！
How you gonna do it?
现在。
哦。
OK， 开始了。
啊。
我知道啊，你这个 black color 的 shirt 啊，那个 scorpion black color 看不到。
Black pepper. Smell black pepper.
I think I eat the body 啦。
我都听啊。Cheers.
Cheers.
不是
Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
Game over.
快好。
OK 啦。OK 啊。
OK，你呢 OK 啊
OK。
Very salty.
对，看这样子。
The 冰这边还
OK， 好了啊。
哇
，3
fucking
video 了，3 video 了。
fucking salty 啊！
他加很多盐呢，刚才看到。
可以，刚好一人一只来，我们一起 try。
OK， 什么是什么啊？我是不知道。
哪一个？这个啊，哪一个？我不懂的呀。
Grasshopper。
Yeah, just yeah.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers 啊。
2, 3. OK 啦 OK 啦。
很臭。哪里 OK？
OK 这 OK。
很臭。不要骗你的 viewer。很臭。
哎 ，crispy 的这个。
Oh, so the scorpion, right? Was like 80 baht
Yeah.
or one.
From 100 but.
100. Yeah, cause nobody buy. No business and reduced to 80. Then all these mixed insects, so 60 baht.
这是什么？一样的啊。
Then I bought this mango sticky rice for 40 baht.
Yeah, bro, you just buy the mango sticky rice like any day, bro. 更便宜，更好
It's
吃。
cheaper, healthier.
This is the soup one.
是这个。
No, got one more.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
because
yeah.
got one more, the black one. This one.
No lah.
This one. Ah, this one.
哎，这个。
对，我知道。No, but 刚才这个我们吃这个了，所以是这个黑黑的。
哦。第三啊。
我喏，那你喜欢？
有些一起问诶。
哦，真是 disgusting。
是吗？
这个看，we have 83. We have 83. I don't know what this ah, but
cricket 啊。
this one cricket, that's not that one. Also cricket.
有一个 house cricket 啊。What the fuck house cricket？
The house is straight.
Yeah, house cricket.
How they catch this kind of thing？ 不是飞来飞去的咩
I don't know. 哪用网？这边走。讲到的话。Okay, cheers. Is it the same? Same.
应该 我可以说 once in a lifetime 可以啊，不是说偶尔一次，就是。What?
Wow, this doesn't taste good
Okay. Wow, the another grasshopper is too big. It's damn big.
Wow, I cannot.
But I'm gonna try. But I won't try the silkworm. Cause I tried before.
Then I try grasshopper, you try the silkworm.
Huh? You try? You take one. You take one. This one. Take it one.
哪一个？咦，为什么拿这个？
你拿一个，你没用
什么
grasshopper。
OK， try 一个。要 adventurous 一点，然后用咖喱。
steady， 喂，这样才有女孩子喜欢你。
哇啦，听到了吗 ？It's like Emma 里面我要走。
我们可以一边吃一边讲。你吃了有没有等我？
我可以这样，这个是 house kitchen 啊，可以拿出来自己吃来啊。可
Is
以。
it nice?
It's not nice, but it's nice.
The texture we are not used to the
Yeah,
texture like
yeah.
this.
So 你看哦，那个 wings 啊，crispy 感，你看。Yeah, if you all thought Irving salted egg was crispy, right? You haven't tried this one.
Have you eat the? Have you ate the silkworm?
不要。
Hey, try. You never tried before, try.
I still couldn't.
Hey, why this one's crispy one?
哎呀，那超大的。
超大啊！
Not crispy but 超大。Okay. 为什么这个你没有吃？
那是什么 ？What the fuck？
它的尾巴。
哦，对啊，尾巴。
不要。
你说啊，你这样你肚子这样饿。
我的 mango sticky rice。还是不要吃比较好。
哇啦，等一下明天第一天啊，哇，生病了。
喂，错，明天起来每个人抢toilet。3点起来用toilet咯。
也当然了。
秀啊！
我下蹦出了太多蹦。那什么？
秀问他给一只一下。
是吗？
那给你一只。
应该还有啦。
没有。
啊？这
Oh shit!
Okay, good. Take that. Maybe together. Is it fine got Enamor? Is there Enamor?
Oh shit! Wow.
They look really
my
hideous
silver.
when you're on the light, you know.
Damn real. They are real, but they are dead.
Oh my god.
Good try. I tried this once and it was bad. It tastes like potato, but I'm not sure.
Potato is nice lah.
No, like the texture like potato, but like blah.
See, if they don't get poked by me, 就是
Not very bad.
OK 啊
OK.
OK.
Okay.
No, I can.
Okay.
No.
I think cause like 超大 cause like burn, so it tastes not that bad. But cheers.
整个night market 只有一个摊卖这种东西。
因为没有什么人吃的。
对哦，没有人吃啊。
Do you ever try?
First time.
First time.
下次跟我玩出好的就是。Crazy.
配水全部重丢进去，搅起来blender的。
Hey, I blended. Today is just our second day.
Yeah.
So where we went? We did our SIM card.
Yeah.
We went to sign up a SIM card.
Then
看房子。
the arts and cultural center.
So then we went to the Arts Culture Center. Then
We went to view Indo movie. Indo movie.
you say Indian?
No.
Then what do you
Indio. Yeah.
Okay. Well,
After that we went to
night market.
no Las Colinas.
yeah, we went to view 2 accommodation. We went to 2 condo. So the first one was damn atas. You guys will see lah. So yeah, you guys can look at it. The second one was what?
Las Cordinas. Yeah.
That one a bit quite old actually, quite old.
Those that went Thailand before and went to know what is Soy Cowboy, that this condo is just right beside Soy Cowboy.
Yeah.
Famous straight light district of Bangkok. Yeah. It's just right beside.
Regular. So the second one was quite much bigger, but the environment was not that good. So we decided to get to stay at Indio Mobi.
Yeah.
And then yeah, we have to prepare how much total, like right now?
Total 1 month of advance deposit and 2 months of security deposits, 120,000 bahts.
Yeah,
Which
Singapore.
equivalent to
$5,454.
Okay,
$5,554.
that's a lot.
Yeah.
And yeah, we are broke now.
So we are
Eating insects.
for the protein and for the carbs. Yeah.
Every day have to eat insects. I think tomorrow onwards we just go to the streets after work and then go pick up some insects.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Oh, what should I say? Oh, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you want to see in the next video. Yeah. Bye bye.